We show you how to set the date of the statement and run billing statements with the options of SMS, WhatsApp, or email statements in this video tutorial.
Let's get this party started, shall we?
Navigate to Administration, Student Billing, and then select Run Billing Statements.
You can check SMS and email account statements, as well as next due dates, from the top left of the Billing Run window.
Set the date of the statement using the date selector. When you're finished, go ahead and click Load Billing Run.
The total number of accounts added to the bill run will be shown here. Please keep the following in mind.
Bill Run will calculate all billing records for all the accounts enrolled in SIMS.
This process may take a long time.
To ensure that the process completes successfully, please do not close this page or interrupt your access to SIMS.
When the process is complete, select the appropriate folder to view print the statement of accounts as a single document, or download a zip folder containing all statements at once.
Thank you for your time. See you in the next video, and remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications on our YouTube channel.